I grew up around my mom who always loved plants. It was peaceful and it was calming, and it's exciting to see something start as nothing and then bloom into something. It's about the manifestation of all of your hard work coming to fruition at the end. It's just my happy place.
Angela is my little sister. She's 3 years younger than I am. We grew up in a home with both of our parents smoking, which was difficult at times because we both had asthma. I remember when she was a little girl, she went into the hospital once because of an asthma attack, and I ended up getting pneumonia in the hospital, so not a big fan of smoking.
My family is very important to me. My parents instilled a core value of family first, so I've always been very tight with my siblings and my cousins. We're a tight crew. I started smoking, I believe I was about 28, which I know, who does that, right? Who starts smoking at such an age? But I was going through a really stressful period.
When she started smoking, I was like, what in the world are you doing? We grew up in a household with smokers. As a nurse, I see all different kinds of issues that come up when patients smoke.
I smoked for about 10 years, at least 10 years, maybe about 15. That was just an outlet for me to release the stress that I was going through at the time.
It made me frustrated and angry that she would do something that is damaging to her body. She's my sister. I love her. And I don't want anything bad to happen to her.
It was about the year 2019 when we went on a family vacation to Branson, Missouri, and we went to an amusement park, and so that's a lot of walking. And when you're a smoker, a lot of walking, that doesn't really mix. So I found myself being really winded and out of shape, and it was embarrassing, and it was like, I'm too young for this. And it was at that moment I decided I wanted to do something different. So I always had kind of known about the Tobacco Helpline. I had just never considered using it for myself. But as I got more serious, like I'm gonna quit for real this time, I spoke with my sister and she recommended that I give it a try. I wanted to use the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline because I knew that I could get resources for free. I didn't realize there would be a coach. I don't think I realized that part. I just thought they would send you resources to help you quit smoking. So the fact that I had someone to assist me, that was a surprise. And that was awesome because you have someone calling you consistently, making sure that you're accountable. That's important when you have to answer to someone else and they also encourage you to. It felt like I was talking to a friend. So it was a very easy experience for me. Going from a rhythm that felt like powerless and controlling of my habits, and then going to another place where you feel like empowered. That's what it felt like once I went from a smoker to having a coach that was helping me become successful.
When she told me, she called the helpline and they were giving her the tools that she needed to stop smoking. And then when she stopped, I was super excited.
It's very empowering to realize, wow, I just did that. I felt very proud of myself. The Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline played a significant role in my ability to quit smoking because I might not have been able to do it without the free help. I might not have been able to do it without having someone encouraging me and lifting me up and making me be accountable. So yeah, it was a very key part to my success in quitting smoking.